Oh, hi, Kristen. I thought it would be easier to just show you what I discovered on point of sale rather than try to do a bunch of screenshots and whatever. So hopefully this will work out. So I had an exchange with Jamie, and he's working on some of these items, including point of sale, that have been over on this left hand side menu and where things belong more appropriately in the dashboard area up on top to put them there. So I think we're stuck in the middle of a development update. But if you go into point of sale from here and click new order, we can then do a couple of things. First of all, here's the wrench, so you can go to the settings. When you click on that, and I've gone in here, so select your payment options. Right now, I just selected bill to account and cash. Obviously, you can select what you want here. Show change calculator. I know nobody knows how to do things in their head, so that's a useful thing. Default payment method. So when someone goes to make a point of sale purchase, what do you want the default to be? I just selected cash. Employee discount enabled, and whatever percentage that you want. I put in 10%. And enable receipt printing. I don't think many people are going to be interested in receipts, but maybe some people are. And then you can select, depending on what sort of a printer you would want to apply for receipts. You can enter the width of the receipt tape. So that's, oh, and the club name for the receipt. I put in P7. I think that's who you guys are, right? And then save changes. So that's kind of it on the setup side. Then to actually place an order, you can search by club member last name, because particularly when it's going to be a bill to account, certainly you want that. So let's just put in whoops, get on that field, TH. Oh, Matt, he's here to get something to eat. Let's go ahead and click on him, and now we've got the products that have been entered. He would like to get the Schollander burger and a couple of waters. You can see that is now showing up over here in the order details. And again, here's the default payment method. I had selected a couple of things. I said, account or cash, right? So either of those are an option. Apply employee discount. There's the 10% off of that order if you want to do that. And then submit order. If so, here's where it gets really good, right? So if somebody hands you a $10 bill, $10, what should they change? Oh, change is $2. Click submit. So if people need help figuring out what the difference is, and now we're at the receipt. As I said, this is your choice. Do you want to offer a receipt or not? This at your option, right? So if somebody says, "Where's my receipt?" You could print one, or skip it altogether, and you're done. Hopefully that showed enough. Now, as far as getting the other items in, I know that just goes to that blank page, so we're working on that. But as far as items for sale, you've already put a number of things in, including the Schollander burger, water, soda, so you can update or add items there. And obviously you can have different categories of items. So if you're going to sell things other than food, maybe you have something for, I don't know, for things like sundries, sunscreens, and aloe lotion for sunburns, those sorts of things. So you can add different item categories as well. Okay, I hope that is useful. We're also working on the email stuff, but we were having internet problems on top of everything else yesterday. So we're getting there.